A Nigerian was seriously injured by a mob near Okokero Circle in Porvorim on Thursday, who was later shifted to Goa Medical College and Hospital after some Nigerians attacked the police hearse van carrying the body of their compatriot with sticks at the Porvorim junction at around 11 in the morning. Goans expressed outrage at the way the Nigerians were allowed to paralyze the police functioning and called for their immediate deportation.
A Nigerian was found dead on Wednesday night with stab wounds in Para village near Mapsa. The police were taking the body to Goa Medical College and Hospital on Thursday when they were blocked by around 200 Nigerians on the National Highway 17 near Okokero Circle and attacked with stones. They removed the body from their compatriot from the van and kept it on the road, thus blocking the traffic in the area that resulted in a huge traffic jam along the Panjim-Mapsa highway.
There were around 30 of them. There were more than 100 police force. We Goans are standing on the side, the Indians are standing on the side. The national highway has been paralyzed for more than an hour. And they're just lying standing here. At the end, all of them have been let off. Only one arrest has been made.
Especially Nigerian national and Kenyan nationals. They are coming to Goa on student visa. Actually, student visa o kite te kon poita denga. When they come here, they come to Mumbai, they register over there in some FRO office, and then they come to Goa. They are not registered in Goa in any of the FRO office. And they see soft targets like these villages of Parra, Arpara, Nagwa, Giri, Saligaon, Sangolda, and they convince our local people to give them on rent their houses. But what is the actual business? Tenche dondo kire? Te student or na kodut poina te dakoita visa student visa म्हणून आमच्या गोंयकारांक आनी म्हणटा आमी स्टुडंट खंयच्या कॉलेजीन वयता खंयच्या स्कॉलान वयता कोणूच आयडेंटिफाय करिना. आमच्या गोंयाच्या सरकारा कडेन एकूय मेकॅनिझम ना हांकां पळोवपाक. आमचे पुलीस डिपार्टमेंट जे आहा ते तांकां भियेता. I am ashamed to say this.
As the situation turned volatile, police force was rushed to the spot. Speaking to media persons, agitated residents of Porvorim slammed the police officials for not taking the unruly Nigerians to task. A mob of enraged Goans gathered at the scene demanding the arrest of the unruly Nigerians. Nigerians allowed by police to escape mob fury. Porvorim legislator Rohan Khaute too appeared on the scene later. Traffic finally started to move. Later, the Chief Minister visited the Mapsa police station along with Deputy Inspector General Om Prakash Mishra and directed the police to take necessary action against the culprits. Many Nigerians were arrested by Mapsa police station. Speaking to media persons, the Chief Minister assured to deport Nigerians whose visas had expired. He said those foreigners who had court cases against them could not be deported.
No, illegal basic problem चडशे कितें आहा तूं तांचेर केसी आसता ते आतां डिस्कस करता आमी. केसी आहा पळय ते केस आसल्या मुळे ताका डिपोर्टूय करपाक येता. सो वी आर वर्किंग अ सोल्युशन.
स्टुडंट विजा घेवन येतात आनी
ते एक्सपायर्ड जाल्ले कोणाचे विजा आहा तांकां डिपोर्ट करता.
Done as far as this case is concerned, but crackdown of today's thing is there. Immediately, whatever applicable sections are being charged now, and they will be booked. So, here parat जावचे न्ही. It is a very clear indication of law and order problems which have come up today. की जे Nigerians येवन 2 वरां आज तांणी बंद केले, रस्ता रोको केलो, and police couldn't handle it. Only with the help of locals they have managed it. आणि हे आज परवरी सालिगांव जाला. फाल्यां एखादी गोंयभर जातलें. So we have demanded from our CM to look at it very strictly, and he has assured 8-10 days that सगळे आसा ते जाग्यार घालतलो. I will be following up this issue personally in the next 8 to 10 days so that the due action is taken on this particular thing. If no action is taken, I have faith in the CM because he has told that he is going to do. If he does not, then we will take appropriate action then.